Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I will tell how to use Liberty Basic in mobile. The link is given in the description. Click on the link and this interface will come. Then you touch on the screen and write any program. I am giving a read data program. Read to number and print average and only average. Okay, print average. So I am doing read a comma b data 10,20. AV means average. I can give any type of symbol of average. Okay, equals to in bracket a plus b by 2, average formula by 2, then print AV and last line end. Then I have to put here execute, then execute. See, we can see the answer. The average of 10 and 20 is 20. Okay, this so many student can don't know how to do in mobile Liberty Basic, so you can do like this in my description. See and do. If you have any problem about this, text me, means comment me on the comment box. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye, see you next video.